In activity 3.15, I'll demonstrate creating a report by using the report wizard. So with our job openings database still open, but with all objects closed, click on the Create tab, and in the Reports group, click on Report Wizard. Now the Report Wizard has a lot of flexibility and helps you easily group and total various parts of the report. So look here and drop this down. We can use tables or queries. We'll go ahead and use 3B employers. Let's create an industry report. So we'll select industry, we'll select the employer name and the fee paid. And with those three fields selected, we'll say next. Now here, do you want to add any grouping levels? And we do. Right now the report is just going to treat all three of those fields equally the same, but we want to get all the employers under one industry grouped together. So by selecting industry here and moving it over, notice how the format of our report changes. We see industry, and then within that industry we'll see employer name and fee paid. Now click next. Now this says what sort order and summary information do you want for detail records. You can sort records by up to 4 fields in either ascending or descending order. So let's select employer name, and that way we'll get an industry report, and within each industry we'll see employers sorted by name. Click on summary options, and let's get a sum of the fee paid within each industry. So fee paid, we click sum, and over here we want to show detail and summary. We have the choice of clicking summary only, but for this time, this activity will do detail and summary, and then say OK. Now click next, and notice over here, how would you like to lay out your report? This is what stepped looks like. This is what block looks like. Outline. We'll go ahead and select stepped for this activity and the portrait orientation, and make sure that this box is checked. Adjust the field width so all fields fit on a page. Select next. Let's go ahead and name it. Last name, first name, and this is going to be booth fees by industry report. So this is some kind of a trade show. Preview the report, finish, go ahead and close the navigation, and notice that we have the banking and finance. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the different fees that they paid, and there's the sum, and it even says summary for industry equals banking and finance for detail records. And then we go down and we see there's a computer hardware, 1, 2, 3, and that's the fees we've collected, and so on. Now if we go to File, Print Preview, do a 2-page spread, you can kind of see what the overall report looks like. Then we'll go ahead and print it to a PDF file. Say okie dokie. I'm in Documents. I have the correct report name, so I save that off, and that's the end of this activity.